Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the two on-screen keyboards that Windows 10 has to offer. The first keyboard we're going to be taking a look at is a basic keyboard, which to access, all you need to do is go down to the bottom of your computer and right click on the taskbar. You now need to go to where it says show touch keyboard button and just simply click on that. And now in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, you should have a keyboard, which you can simply just click onto, and it will load up the on-screen keyboard. And as you can see, it's a really nice and basic keyboard. It doesn't have too much on it, but if I go ahead and open up this text document, it will work like a normal keyboard. For example, if I just type in computer, as you can see, it is now typing it out, and it also brings up all the words here, just to make life a little bit easier. If you're not happy with the layout of the on-screen keyboard, you can simply change it by clicking on this icon here. And you now have a few options. We can click on this option here, and it makes the keyboard smaller. We can also click on this option, and it makes it really small. This option here, it turns it into a weird sort of mobile phone texting sort of layout. And we also have this option here, which is slightly bigger like a laptop keyboard. And to access the second keyboard, all you need to do is close down this keyboard, and you need to go to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click. You now need to go to settings, and we now need to go to ease of access. And we can simply click on keyboard on the left hand side here. And then we need to turn this on here where it says turns on the on-screen keyboard. If we just flick that on, straight away, as you can see, we now have our new on-screen keyboard, which has a lot more options on it. It's a lot more advanced than the other keyboard. For example, in the right hand side here, we have options, and we can change a load of settings on this keyboard, just to make life a lot easier. I'm just going to quickly show you how the keyboard works again. So all you need to do is click on your text document, and then you click on what you want to write on the keyboard. I'm just going to put pop, and there we go. And yet again, it comes up with lots of words at the top. Like I can select, let's have a little look, popping, there we go. And it really is as easy as that. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.